assumed mean right here formula first. Assumed mean x bar equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Okay, first here write assumed mean. Take any one value assumed. Okay, a value take. So I am taking here assumed mid value a. Okay, a value here assumed. So this value di. Next find di. Di means what? Xi minus a. Di means xi minus a. Di xi, this is xi values, right? A means this value. So xi here 45 minus 65. 45 minus 65 minus 20. Right? 45 minus 65 equal to minus 20. But here class interval size is 10 only. Decrease 10. Minus 10. 0. 10. 20. 30. Understand? First value check. Which one? Xi minus 65. A value is 65. Xi is 45. 45 minus 65. 45 minus 65 minus 20. Right? Class interval size is 20. Class interval size is 10. So decrease 10. Minus 20 minus 10. This value is 0. Here same 10, 20 there. That numbers only positives like 10, 20, 30. Easy. Okay na? Now fi into di. Fi into di. Fi 10 into minus 20, that equal to minus 200. 25 into minus 10, that equal to minus 250. 65 into 0, 0. 75 into 10, that equal to 750. 85 into 10, 85 into 20. 2 5 is 10. 2 8 is 16, 17, 1, 7, 0. 95 into 30. 95 into 30, 3 5 is 10, 3 5 is 15. 0, 3 5 is 15, 3 9 is 27, plus 128. This total is sigma fi di. Add these numbers. Say these two are negatives. So this is minus 450 and these are positives. These are positives. That number right here. After that subtraction do one value will get. Okay. Now a value what here 65 plus sigma fi di. Here subtraction do one value will get. That value right here 65 plus suppose here 3000 by sigma fi equal to 100. So 0 zeros cancel, 30 will get 65 plus 30 90. But here 60 to 70. Last question answer what? Mean direct method answer 60. That only coming. Same answer only coming. Okay. Write here exact number, that value only get. Same. Direct methods, same answer. Assumed means same answer. And step deviation method also same answer only coming. Okay. Write down.